Today it was an exciting day for me because after completing the 19-tool seminar or courses, I became so excited because in the chaplain's wellness we didn't have material. Now the Scientology has helped me to at least be empowered.
The knowledge that I've gained from the courses has really helped me as a student and as a person, as an individual. I will specifically talk about the answers to drugs because that's what we are experiencing at our community. It's a very huge problem. In each and every problem, there's the root of the problem. So for you to solve the problem, you've got to know the root. And with the courses that I've taken, I know why people take drugs.
If I apply those courses into my life and into my profession, I think this is actually, it's the best actually, because now I understand actually, I understand what I should be doing for them to actually learn. It's great, I love it.
Because I'm shy, I just feel they just gave me that urge to go want to do more, that I can do it, I can organize, I can mobilize people, I can speak, I can be vocal.
I would like to encourage a lot of people actually to undergo this kind of training with Scientology. I'm telling you, it's going to serve a purpose. It's going to make a difference.
Scientology is knowledge. I'm so proud, really. I cannot even look down about it. I'm very proud. And yeah, this is actually an opportunity that I wanted. Just that I didn't know where I would get it, you know. So I thank God the universe has heard that I also need to be, you know, to learn more, to develop myself more, to be informed and to help other people out there. So it's really an honor. I will never lie about that.
We are so excited and we are ready. We are ready by fire, by force to go out to our community there and make an impact. We are ready to introduce more people to the Scientology, volunteered ministers to come and personally help to equip themselves with knowledge, to equip themselves with skills. We are actually qualified. We are ready. We are ready to work now and serve our community.